just doing a real quick video on the 16-inch by 16-inch blue microfiber cleaning cloth, and it's pretty long. It covers the whole scale. And what I'm using this for is I want to be able to go ahead and clean off my DPS 20 scale, 20-pound capacity. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm just going to fold this right back up again. Let's see, just fold this on up. And I have a water bottle here. I'm just going to just put a little bit of water on it, like that, just a dab. And I'm going to go ahead and clean off the scale with some water. And you can even, clean up off here too, why not? These cloths are great. And then any other part of the cloth that's not wet, I'm just going to go ahead and dry it on off and make it look sparkly. Just cleaning it on off using the cloth. And it works great. Thank you so much for watching.